In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim a warranty on an Amazon purchase. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Amazon account. This is absolutely essential because everything we're going to do hinges on that. Once you're successfully logged in, navigate your way over to the Orders section. You can typically find it by hovering over the Accounts and Lists drop-down guide at the top right-hand side of your screen. This area is like the digital filing cabinet for all your Amazon purchases, where you'll discover a comprehensive list of past orders. Now, here's an important tip. Make sure you have the exact details of the product you're dealing with, such as the purchase date and, if possible, the purchase confirmation ID. This will help speed up the process and avoid any potential misunderstandings. With these details in hand, go ahead and sift through your orders until you find the item you're facing issues with, the one you purchased and need to claim the warranty for. Once you've successfully located the product within your order history, you should notice an option labeled Return, Refund, or Exchange Items. Click on it. This will lead you into Amazon's warranty claim system, the next crucial part of the process. This system is fairly straightforward to use. Amazon's user interface really helps guide you step by step, ensuring the procedure remains as effortless as possible. It will likely ask you some questions about the reason for the return or exchange and require information to verify the purchase. While filling out this information, be as detailed as possible about the issue you're encountering. Providing a thorough explanation can significantly enhance your chances of a successful warranty claim. Make sure to check if there are any additional steps or forms to fill out during this process. It's also a good moment to review Amazon's standard warranty policies to understand the extent of coverage and any exclusions that might apply. Adhering to their policy guidelines ensures that you're not missing anything essential and don't face unnecessary delays later on. Now, if the system prompts you to mail the product back, don't forget to package it securely to avoid any damage in transit. Box it up with all its original components and, if possible, in its original packaging. And remember, sometimes the process might require a physical check or repair done by professionals. Amazon has partnerships with several authorized service centers, so you can opt to visit one of these service centers if that's more convenient for you, or if further diagnosis of your product is necessary. In summary, the key is to stay organized, follow the prompts diligently, and provide comprehensive information wherever possible. With these steps, claiming a warranty on Amazon should be a smooth and efficient process.